Good morning, students.
Good morning,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Everybody ready for the economics revision work?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And everybody is now aware how the math questions will be asked in the exam.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, fine,
Ma'am.
Yes,
fine. So, uh, first question in economics is first you have to write it down in the notebook, the answer, and then you will raise your hands up. Okay? Nobody means everybody will together not speak out. So first is which of the following is grown in a rainy season? This first hand is Yashika. Which of the
ma'am.
following?
Option A.
Option
Ma'am,
A.
option A.
Yes.
Ma'am, A.
Sure?
A.
Okay, fine. If everybody is in favor of A option, then definitely this is the correct answer. A option. Jawar and Bajra. Grown in the rainy season, and the rainy season is called as which season?
Ma'am,
Kharif.
monsoon. Kharif,
Huh?
kharif.
Kharif, Kharif.
Kharif crop.
Yes, Kharif. So you can be asked in this way also that which crops are grown in Kharif season. So Jawar and Bajra means any way this can be asked. Next question. The minimum wages of a farm laborer set by the government is at that time when we read the lesson in the lesson the minimum wages for the farm laborer set by the government is yes Anshika
Rupees 15. C, ma'am. C. Rupees 100.
115.
Ma'am, 115.
Ma'am,
here
option C.
Ma'am,
100.
Ma'am, 115.
any other option any
Yes.
other
No, ma'am.
okay
Ma'am,
fine
Ma'am.
option.
if you have written option C that is rupees 115 it is the correct option okay now next is
Yes,
what is the main production activity in Palampur
Farming.
Ma'am, farming.
ma'am. Farming.
Ma'am, farming.
everybody is in favor of farming.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Then farming is the correct option also. If you have written farming, then put a tick mark. Now the Green Revolution introduced the farmers to. The Green Revolution introduced the farmers to cultivation of
Cultivation
wheat
of
and rice,
forest.
cultivation of green vegetables.
Cultivation of green
Ma'am, A.
vegetables.
I am not able to understand anything. First, let me take your
Ma'am
name and
D.
then hello.
Ma'am D.
Ma'am, option D. Ma'am, option B.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option
B.
Let
Ma'am,
me
option A.
let
Ma'am,
me take
option A.
let me take your name first and then you will give the answer. Not all together. Only raise your hands up. Yes, Parikshit.
Ma'am, B.
What is B option?
Cultivation of green vegetables.
Anybody else?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am
Ma'am,
Okay.
D.
D.
Ravina.
Yes, ma'am. Option B. Cultivation
Ma'am,
of green vegetables.
Yes, Priyansh.
Ma'am, option A, cultivates of wheat and rice.
Ma'am D. Cultivation of forest.
The Green Revolution introduced the farmers to the cultivation of wheat and rice. Beta. Okay. The first option correct? A option. Cultivation of wheat and rice. Yes, Priyansh. What happened? Next now. Which area in India has a low level of irrigation? Yes, Vishal.
Ma'am both A and B.
Both A and B. Althea.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
option E.
ma'am,
Yes, Dia.
ma'am,
Ma'am,
option
option E.
Option
Option E, ma'am.
A.
A.
A. Okay.
Ma'am, A.
A is the correct or D?
Ma'am, both A and B.
Ma'am, A is correct.
Ma'am, A.
Okay. Option A is correct for this. The area in India has a low level of irrigation is the Deccan Plateau. It is given in your book also. The Deccan Plateau is the area in India which has a low level of irrigation. Okay. Hello. Those who have marked Deccan Plateau, put a tick
Yes,
mark.
ma'am.
Otherwise, those who have written wrong answer, put a wrong over there and write down the correct answer in front. Clear? Okay, coming to the sixth question. Which of the following is a modern farming method? Multiple cropping, use of HIV seeds, use of chemical fertilizers, or both B and C? Which of the
Ma'am,
following?
B. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
B.
Ma'am,
B.
both B and C.
B.
Again,
Ma'am,
again,
both
B
B
and
and C.
have I taken anybody's name? In this way, I'm not able to understand anybody's answer. Yes, Yashika.
Ma'am, both B and C.
Which of the following is the modern farming method? Parikshit,
Ma'am, both B and C.
Dia,
Ma'am, both B and C.
Kyati.
Ma'am, both B and C.
So, anybody is having a different answer for this?
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, option B. Multiple crops. Ma'am, A.
If any other answer apart from D option is given that is wrong, you write down the correct option D. The following, which of the following is a modern farming method? It is multiple cropping also can be used. Use of HYV seeds also and chemical fertilizers also are used in modern farming method. The picture you remember, the picture given there, the modern farming method written below. Do you remember the picture? Modern farming method, HYV seeds, chemical fertilizers, etc. Now remember, page number 4 of your book, the diagram was there, figure 1.4. Okay, now question number 7. The small farmers constitute about dash percent of total farmer in India. The small farmers constitute about dash percent of total farmers in India. How much percentage of small farmers is there? You have to speak out that. Yes, Priyansh.
Ma'am, 80. Ma'am, 80.
Any other answer? Althea?
Ma'am, A.
A means 50. Sana?
Ma'am, 80.
80. Almas?
Ma'am, option A, 50.
Parikshit?
Ma'am, B, 60%.
The small farmers constitute about, the correct option is D. 80. 80% of the total farmers in India. Clear? Option D will be correct one. Now coming to the 8th question. The most abundant factor of production is. The most abundant factor of production is.
Ma'am, option A.
Ma'am, A, labor. Ma'am, option B, land.
Most
Ma'am,
ab-
labor.
D. Ma'am, option D.
Ma'am, option A, labor.
Acha,
Ma'am, A, labor.
Ma'am, option D.
Ma'am, option D.
stick to one option
Ma'am,
only. Which
option
option
B.
is?
Ma'am, option A,
Ma'am,
labor.
B.
Okay.
Ma'am, B, land.
Okay. Now let me tell you. First, let me ask what is the meaning of abundant. First, let me ask about the meaning of abundant. What does the word abundant mean? Yes. Yes, Priyansh. Vishal, abundant means, the word abundant means, abundant का मतलब क्या होता है? Abundant का मतलब
I'm rich. Rich.
rich. कुछ और जवाब किसी के पास? Any other option? Abundant
Ma'am,
means,
option C.
नहीं, wait it. Abundant means, meaning of abundant. Meaning of abundant. Meaning of abundant is in plenty. Meaning of abundant is
Ma'am, in large quantity.
in large quantity
Large
or
quantity.
in plenty. So the most abundant factor of production is the answer A option will be correct. Abundant
Labor.
factor. Labor. Labor means human labor is more. अगर कम पैसे काम करने को ready नहीं होता है, then the other person is ready to work for the same work on the less wages also. So labor is there in abundance. समझ में आया? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the for question number 8, the most abundant factor of production is labor.
Labor.
Then question number 9, working capital stands for tools, machines, buildings, raw materials, money in hand, share total, share capital or fixed deposit in financial institution. Question number 9. Yes, Sana. Question
Ma'am,
number
I.
9. Sana.
Ma'am, B. Ma'am, I
Working
can speak.
working capital stands
Ma'am.
for.
Ma'am, working capital stands for raw materials and money.
Yes. Working capital stands for option B is correct, raw material and money in hand. Okay. Now 10th question, how many families live in village Palampur? Question number 10. Option is 150, 250, 350 or 450. Yes, Dia.
Ma'am, 450 D option.
Jyotsna.
Ma'am, 450.
Yashika.
Ma'am, B 250.
Anshika.
Option D, 450.
Okay. The option B.
Ma'am, option D will be correct.
Option D will be correct, 450. So in according to your book's information, how many families live in village Palampur? 450. Okay. Now let me see your notebooks. Who wants to show me your notebook that up to question number 10 it is completed in your notebook? Yes, Anshika, Kathy, show it to me. Vishal, Brignani, you can also show it to me. One by one, everybody show. Yes, Yashika is shown. Yes, good. Then who is showing here? Kathy, yes. Yes, Kathy, I've seen yours also. Anybody else? Yes, Yashika. Kathy, I've seen both. Anshika, yes. Yes, Anshika, I've seen yours also. Good. Next, anybody else? Sana, Brignani, Vishal. Yes, Brignani, yes. Everybody is doing in the fair notebook only, na? Yes, Sana.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
Brignani,
ma'am.
I've seen yours. Okay. Then Parikshit, can you show me? Althea, Parikshit, Almas, Anshika has shown already. Dimple, anybody else wants to show me? Till 10th or nobody is doing in the notebook? Sana has shown me.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Who else wants to show me? Or you are not doing Vishal? Doing in the notebook or not? Vishal, with Benny and all? Parikshit, Althea, doing in the notebook? Yes, Almas has shown. Yes. Yes, Almas, I've seen yours.
Ma'am, I also have shown.
Yes, Haji has shown. Yes. Okay, fine. What about Vishal? Vishal, Priyanshu, Garima? Are you all doing in the notebook? Hello.
Ma'am, I will write from. Ma'am, I will take this question from student portal.
You are not doing just now?
Ma'am, I have done in notebook.
Ah, okay. But problem in showing the video?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, due to network problem? Okay, no problem. Next question, question number 11. Now we'll continue with this revision of again with the question number 11. Scope of farming activity is limited in Palampur due to. Now, scope of farming activity is limited in Palampur. It is correct that scope of farming of activity is limited in Palampur, but what reason is behind it? Fixed amount of land, lack of irrigation, lack of labor, and none of the above. Yes, Vansh, can you answer? Vansh or Vishal, Yashika, Tirth. Tirth is present. Tirth is present.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you answer? Scope of farming activity is limited in Palampur due to Tirth, Vansh, Vishal, Yashika, everybody. Raise your hand and start answering. Be quick.
Ma'am, a fixed amount of land.
Yes. 11th option A. Tirth, which option is correct? Tirth, which option is correct?
Fixed amount of land. Fixed.
A.
A. A. What is A? What is written in A option?
Ma'am,
Fixed amount of land.
land.
Yes. Fixed amount of land is the correct option. That fixed amount of land is only there. Limited land pattern is there. So that is why scope of farming activity is limited in Palampur. Okay. Now next is what is done to surplus wheat in Palampur? What is done to surplus? Surplus. First, tell me the meaning of word surplus. Surplus means
Ma'am, extra food.
yes, extra. Surplus means extra. Extra means whatever production is there, it is used for the family consumption. Family के लिए काम में लिया जाता है. But after the family consumption also, the extra production is there. So what is done to the extra production of wheat in Palampur? It is sold in the market. It
Ma'am,
is
A.
destroyed, stuck
Ma'am,
by
A.
itself,
Ma'am, A sold in the market.
Ma'am, sold in market.
sold in market. Vishal, oh, not given in charity. Charity में charity means दान पुण्य में नहीं दिया था, देते थे.
Ma'am, sold in market.
Okay, fine. So the correct option is sold in market. Done. Sold in market. What is done to the surplus wheat in Palampur? It is sold in market. Next, consumption of chemical fertilizers is highest in which state of India?
A. Punjab.
Ma'am, Punjab.
Ma'am,
But-
Punjab.
A. Punjab.
Ma'am,
Punjab.
Punjab. A.
Ma'am, Punjab.
Ma'am, A.
A.
Punjab.
Punjab.
Okay, I hope everybody is sure about this answer. That means
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
okay, A Punjab. Here also A option is correct, Punjab. Everybody is done Punjab, then it's correct option also A option. Now people of Palampur sell milk in nearby large village. Nearby
D.
large village.
Rajganj.
Ma'am, D. Raiganj.
Pithampur,
D.
Raiganj, Shahpur, Raiganj. Milk.
Ma'am, D. Raiganj.
Everybody?
Ma'am,
D.
Anybody?
Raiganj.
Yes,
Any-
ma'am.
Ma'am, D.
Ma'am, D.
D. Okay. D is the correct option. It is sold, the milk is sold in Raiganj, that is nearby large village. 15th question. Where do most of the small farmers borrow money to arrange for the capital in Palampur? Where do most of the small farmers borrow money to arrange for the capital in Palampur? Yes, from banks, cooperative societies, village money lenders, or friends or relatives. Yes.
Ma'am, C village money lenders.
Option C, village money lender.
Ma'am, C money.
Ma'am, option C.
Money lender.
Ma'am,
Okay.
option C.
Option
C. Option C.
C.
C village money lenders.
sure. Option C only. Not friends and relatives.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. C option is correct. Village money lenders is the correct option for question number 15. Now question number 16. Which one among the following is not fixed capital? Be careful, read. Which one among the following is not the fixed capital? Machine, buildings, tools, raw materials.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, D raw materials.
Ma'am, D raw material.
ma'am, raw materials.
Raw material.
Raw material.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, sure.
Okay, fine. Then sure, that means you are confident for D option. It is correct also. Raw material. Now question number 17. Why do the farmers of Palampur follow multiple cropping? Choose the correct answer. Now why do the farmers of Palampur follow multiple cropping? You have to choose the correct answer because the water consumption is less in this method, or because this method consumes less chemical fertilizers, or because this method doesn't, the option is not there. Wait a second. Question number 17. Let me see. The option by mistake I have given half only.
Ma'am, but the answer is D.
But the answer is, so because this method doesn't, the option,
Is the most common way of increasing production.
yes, the option D is the correct option. That is method, because this method is most common way of increasing production. Clear?
Yes.
So you can continue with, because this method doesn't helps in growing of more production, that can be, in growing of or increasing production, doesn't help in increasing production and all like that. You can continue with this question, and but the option D will be, you have to write down the correct option, and for correct option D is right, because this method is most common way of increasing production. Now question number 18. Which of the following transformed the system of irrigation in Palampur? Yes or no?
B, Persian wheel.
Ma'am,
Which
ma'am,
of the following?
tubers.
Question number 18. Yes. Vishal, any other option? Which option you are saying? Vishal, Almas, Parikshit?
Ma'am, option B, person B.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
option B.
B, Persian wheel.
Which of the following
Ma'am,
transformed the system of irrigation in Palampur?
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
tubes.
Ma'am, B.
Tubers. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me check also this for the tubers. Its major impact was to transfer the system of irrigation. Persian wheels were till then used by farmers to draw water from the wells and irrigate fields. So here it is written, electricity came to Palampur and its major impact was it is due to electricity. Previously, Persian wheels were used, and then
Ma'am,
afterwards,
nowadays tubes.
tube wells is there. Clear? Here it is. So previously, Persian wheels were there, but now after Persian wheels, tube wells transformed the system of irrigation. And in the beginning, only few tube wells were put here in Palampur, and afterwards for all. So that was the sentence given in your book. So the option A, tube well, will be correct. Which one among the following is non-farm activity? Non-farm activity.
Ma'am,
Yes.
C dairy farming. C
Dairy farming.
C. Dairy
Dairy
farming.
farming.
Ma'am, C dairy farming.
Sure.
Dairy farming.
Sure.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is in favor of dairy farming?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes, so this is the correct option D, sorry, C, dairy farming. Now, for this period, question number 20th will be the last, and then we will continue our revision in our next class also, okay? With 21 to 30 questions.
Okay,
Which-
ma'am.
Yes,
which-
ma'am.
Okay, which one of the following is not an effect of modern farming? Which one of the following is not an effect of the modern farming? Soil degradation, deforestation, decrease in
Ma'am,
groundwater.
deforestation.
Deforestation.
Which one is-
Deforestation.
Deforestation.
D.
Deforestation.
Deforestation.
Ma'am, decrease in groundwater.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, deforestation.
Water.
No, ma'am.
Correct option is water pollution. I will check again and then let
Ma'am,
you know.
how-
Otherwise, water pollution is there. Option water pollution
Okay.
is the correct option. If any other correction will be made, then I will let you know. Otherwise, this option is the correct for this. Which one of the
Okay,
following is
ma'am.
not an effect of the modern farming? Due to the modern farming, soil degradation is there. You know that soil is degraded. उसका न्यूट्रिएंट सारा खत्म हो जाता है मॉडर्न फार्मिंग केमिकल पेस्टिसाइड यूज करने से फिर डिफॉरेस्टेशन भी बाय क्लियरिंग द फॉरेस्ट एंड ऑल फिर डिक्रीज इन ग्राउंड वाटर भी हो जाता है मॉडर्न फार्मिंग
Ma'am, वो
मेथड
तो
से
होता ही है.
वो HYV सीड्स यूज करने से उनको क्या ज्यादा से ज्यादा वाटर चाहिए तो डिक्रीज इन ग्राउंड वाटर इज देयर सो दिस वाटर पोल्यूशन इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन फॉर दिस ओके
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
because
ma'am.
मॉडर्न फार्मिंग मेथड मींस HYV सीड्स केमिकल फर्टिलाइजर्स और ये सब यूज करने से
मैम, तो उससे वाटर पोल्यूशन तो होता है ना, मैम.
वाटर पोल्यूशन नहीं होता है इससे
Okay, ma'am.
not an effect of the water modern farming method. Okay, but these we see
Okay, ma'am.
fine. So that's all in this class. In our next class, we will continue with question number 21 to
ma'am.
30. So 10
Okay,
minutes.
ma'am.
Thank you,
you.
ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you,
bye.
ma'am. Have a nice
Thank
day,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you.